The cleaning giant Fabulosa has recently launched a skincare range that has left its fans in awe. The brand, known for its high-quality cleaning products at affordable prices, has now expanded its offerings to include a luxurious skincare collection. This new range features 3 products in 5 of Fabulosa's iconic scents, making it a perfect addition to anyone's self-care routine. The collection includes a hand wash that gently cleanses and leaves hands beautifully scented, a shower gel that refreshes and softens the skin, and a bath foam that transforms your bath into a fragrance-filled escape. The new range is available at an incredibly low price, starting from just £1.49, and is launching exclusively on the Fabulosa website just in time for Christmas. This is a great opportunity for those already planning their gift list. The launch of this skincare range comes after the brand's success with its cleaning products, which have become a household favorite. The new skincare collection is sure to delight fans who love the Fabulosa fragrances and want to enjoy them beyond the home. The collection includes caramel dates, a bold and indulgent fragrance that immerses fans in a luscious vanilla-laced lather, enriched with silky cocoa butter and a touch of creamy sandalwood. The Christmas favorite, Winter Angel, is also included, featuring a vibrant, sweet, and fruity scent with notes of bubblegum, banana, pear drops, musk, vanilla, and candy floss. For those who prefer something less sweet, the N°1 scent is a luxurious and sophisticated floral composition that balances freshness, warmth, and elegance. The N°2 fragrance is more modern and elegant, opening with a blend of bergamot and orange, leading to a floral heart, and finishing with a warm, sensual base. The final scent, N°3, is an energizing floral fragrance with a citrus burst, unfolding into jasmine and rose, and settling on a soft base of white musk and cedarwood. The best part about this new range is that prices start from just £1.49. The collection is launching exclusively on the Fabulosa website just in time for Christmas, making it a perfect gift for anyone on your list. Fans are already rushing to get their hands on the new products, so they can stock up on the collection at a bargain price. The new skincare range is a testament to Fabulosa's commitment to bringing affordable luxury into everyday routines. It transforms simple moments into something truly indulgent, allowing customers to enjoy the Fabulosa fragrances they love beyond the home. So, if you're looking for a luxurious skincare treat at an affordable price, be sure to check out the new Fabulosa skincare range.